What's up, B? What are we doing?
Just rolling the back of this painting to make it look a little nicer.
So it had all these resin finger spots and overspray from finishing the edge. Jeff is rolling it with what kind of paint?
Just flat house paint. This is like old paint. I know I'm not going to get it the first pass, so no need to wear yourself out trying to roll this and make it cover. Just let it dry and then go back over it again if you want to. Like we said, this is the back of the painting, so I'm just trying to get these a little smooth and good.
So on the front of the painting, we have taped these edges because what we do is we flip it over on a table that has protection so that it doesn't scratch the painting. And you can see where this tape has come out, and that's to keep extra overflow from getting under and onto the painting. So we tape it on the front just like this. It's about a thumb's width of coverage. And then we spray paint these edges. We're gonna sand them down for any little drippies or anything that we find as flaws. And we have taped the back of it, so we will hit this with a heat gun so that we can remove this tape on the back. And then we'll spray paint the sides.
Do you want to make it to where you tell them this side is up, or which side to meet up with, or?
How do you do that?
I don't know. That's up to you.
So let's say I do want to indicate to the client which end goes where. Since it is a diptych, it does fit together. So I won't be there for the install. So how would we mark it? I guess we put like
A and B. And an arrow that shows this goes up, this goes together.
Oh, so that's a lot more simple than this being like top left, top right, bottom right, top left. And then how would you know if it was like top left this way or once it's flipped up? Anyways, we'll draw arrows on the back of it so that they know which end goes where. Yummy, watching paint dry. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this short video. We will see you later on for the live, assuming that our internet is working. We have a guy here working on it right now. He's in the AV box in the laundry room. So anyways, you guys, we'll see y'all later. Bye.
Said bye.